Little twist.
Quarter turn?
I couldn't get a quarter turn on there, so we'll have to see. So if anything were to leak, this would probably be the one, but we'll have to see. But right now, it's actually very, very solid. I'm gonna let this dry up first so that this glue does not touch this. Yeah, check out that bead. Beautiful, eh? So that's where we couldn't turn. That we turned. This is where we couldn't turn as well.
Honestly, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it'll work. Dope on here. Ooh. All right, so we have this ready right now. I don't think we're gonna try 500, so let's just try about 200, just double working pressure. I had some water filled in here. This gauge is a bit screwed up. It will be about, it starts at 50. Time's running out. Find the rest on part 3. For testing purposes.